Welcome back. Today we are looking at the VEVOR Gumball machine. 21 height home vending machine is essential for modern life. The VEVOR Gumball machine is a compact yet highly capable commercial vending machine designed for home use, retail stores, arcades, game rooms, waiting areas, and small business environments. While modern vending equipment often emphasizes digital displays, touchscreen interfaces, and programmable controls, precision remains the true foundation of any successful vending system. Check the video description for the updated price link. The VEVOR Gumball machine focuses on mechanical precision, consistent coin operation, accurate dispensing performance, and dependable user interaction. Standing at approximately 21 inches tall, this eye-catching red vending machine delivers a professional appearance while maintaining a manageable footprint. It accommodates up to 180 capsule toys and can also dispense gumballs, bouncy balls, and similar products. For business owners seeking predictable dispensing accuracy and repeatable customer experiences, this machine demonstrates many of the same principles found in inches larger commercial vending systems. Precision settings matter in vending equipment because every transaction must produce the expected result. Customers expect reliable delivery after inserting coins, and operators require dependable performance to minimize service interruptions. The VEVOR machine succeeds by combining a durable housing, smooth coin mechanism, secure storage compartment, and efficient dispensing system into one attractive package. For operators interested in additional equipment reviews and business tools, you may also find this useful related product guide. Although this vending machine does not feature a digital display, its mechanical coin system functions with impressive consistency. Precision engineering ensures the coin pathway reduces jams and improves transaction reliability. Every successful vending machine depends on accurate coin recognition and smooth mechanical movement, and VEVOR has clearly focused on these operational fundamentals. Users can appreciate how the machine delivers a predictable experience for both operators and customers. The consistent dispensing cycle contributes significantly to overall customer satisfaction. The ability to hold up to 180 capsule toys provides excellent inventory capacity relative to the machine's compact dimensions. This larger storage volume allows operators to reduce refill frequency while maximizing machine availability. For commercial locations with moderate foot traffic, the generous storage chamber can support extended operating periods before requiring maintenance or restocking. The bright red finish immediately attracts attention. In retail environments, visual engagement is often as important as machine functionality. The classic bubblegum machine appearance creates nostalgia while remaining professional enough for modern business locations. One of the machine's strongest advantages is flexibility. Operators can use capsule toys, gumballs, bouncy balls, and similar vending products. This versatility makes it easier to adapt inventory based on customer preferences and seasonal demand. Many vending operators face space limitations. The 21-inch design provides an excellent balance between visibility and placement flexibility. The machine can fit on counters, display areas, reception desks, game stores, and entertainment venues without consuming excessive floor space. When evaluating commercial vending equipment, precision should always be a primary consideration. Even without electronic displays, the VEVOR Gumball machine incorporates several elements that contribute to accurate dispensing performance. The coin-operated mechanism delivers repeatable results with each transaction. The internal dispensing components are engineered to minimize misfeeds while maintaining smooth operation. For operators who value consistency over unnecessary complexity, this machine offers a straightforward and dependable solution. Check the link in the description to get yours today.